Hi everyone and welcome back. Okay, so I've got a very quick overview for you of a drawing that I've just done over on my Patreon channel. This is only a quick sort of 10-minute video, just sort of showing you a few clips of various stages of the drawing. The full lesson will be over on Patreon. There's 14 videos to accompany this, so it's a full-length project that you can actually draw along with in the comfort of your own home. Now the picture that I'm drawing is a scene by an artist called Helen Allingham. She was a Victorian watercolour artist. I've done a few of her drawings before actually, and I've also posted a video on my channel of a compilation of all her, well not all of them, but a lot of her paintings. So if you're not familiar with Helen's work, I'll leave a link in the description below to the video I made, the compilation video I made, so that you can go and check out all of her paintings. Now this picture itself, it took me the best end of a month to draw, with all the filming and editing involved in between. So it's not a quick one, it's going to take quite a while, but it's a nice one to follow along with. It's like I said, there's 14 other videos to accompany this, so it's more or less a step-by-step guide that you can draw along with to draw this scene if you want to. Now if this scene doesn't appeal to you, if you have a quick look through my YouTube videos, you'll see lots and lots of drawing projects there, which are all full-length projects over on Patreon. So I'm sure you'll find something that you like. I work in quite a few different mediums like ink, graphite, watercolour, mostly graphite. I mainly do a lot of graphite landscapes, but there are watercolour landscapes, mixed media, drawings and paintings of birds, butterflies, landscapes, all kinds of stuff. So if you have a quick look through my YouTube channel, you'll get a good idea of the type of work that I do. And there's lots of other content on Patreon as well, which just doesn't get shown on YouTube. It's just exclusively for Patreon members. So if you fancy checking out my Patreon, it's only £3.50 a month, and you'll get access to over 700 videos, lots and lots of different content there, plus you get access to the community section where you can view everybody else's artwork and share your own artwork there and chat along with like-minded people. We've got a really active community over there, so it's not just my artwork that you'll be looking at, it's everybody else's as well, and everybody's making friends over there. It's a really great supportive community over there. I'm sure you'll really enjoy it. I'll leave links to Patreon in the end screen cards and in the description below as well for you. And if you're a beginner just starting out, probably a drawing like this will be too much for you. It might be a little bit overwhelming for you. You're probably looking at it thinking, oh, I can't do that. Well, there is a dedicated section over on Patreon specifically for beginners. There's also another section there called Sketchbook Corner, where we do a lot of smaller, quicker projects. They don't drag on for a month, they only drag on for an hour or so. In a lot of cases, often less. Just quick little sketches that are really helpful for beginners. And of course, I'm always on hand to answer any of your questions, should you need any help, as you're following along with these projects, or just any advice in general, about drawing equipment, right paper to use. Again, there's lots and lots of videos talking about various materials and the best ones to use, and there's quite a lot of reviews over there as well on art materials and art books and things like that. So there's a good range of content over there. There's also a drawing tips section over there, which is full of videos just on specific items or specific elements of drawing landscapes, trees, rock textures, water, clouds, that kind of thing, and where we just talk generally about pencil techniques, various pencil strokes, all the little tips and tricks that I use, because a lot of them are quite unique to me. I've been drawing for over 30 years now, and I've come up with a lot of techniques, like I say, which are very unique to me, and I show a lot of them over there in the drawing tips section. So you've not got to literally follow along with these big long projects to find out how it's all done. You can go through the tips section and just pick out specific videos which suit your needs. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you over there. Take care everybody, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.